guys, thanks for tuning in today. Today we have one of our favorite products. This is the electric brake master cylinder kit, and this is a kit that we've been using for well over a decade now in our shop. It goes on pretty much any of our full-term builds. If you've seen a car roll out of Autoworks in the last 10 years, I can assure you it has this kit in it. We came across this product in SEMA over a decade ago, and once we got our hands on it and started using it, we pretty much never looked back. Whether it's a vacuum booster, a hydro boost, a dual brake master cylinder, it doesn't matter. This is the kit. Haven't used anything better than this yet as of the making of this video here in 2021. So what we have here is actually a two-piece kit. We have the polished master cylinder, and then we have the pump and accumulator on a bracket setup here with the wiring. All right, so this is a drip fed system. This master cylinder will mount directly to your firewall, and this can be mounted anywhere in the vehicle so long as it's below the master cylinder. In our builds, we typically like to mount it behind the fender apron, between the fender and the apron itself, usually like on the lower frame rail towards the front. We could typically route the steel lines off this master cylinder and through the apron underneath the hood hinge on the driver's side, up under the apron, and to the accumulator setup for a real nice clean install with your brake lines. So the only thing you'll really see is the master cylinder on the firewall, which is a good looking piece as it is. So this kit here delivers over 2,000 PSI to your brakes. So if you're running a wheel with disc brake kit or any sort of cool name brand disc brake kit, this will actually supply enough pressure to make good use of your large oversized brakes. If you're running just standard brakes or drums in the back, this is a great kit for that as well. So whether it's a small brake system or a big brake system, this is ideal for either. Now, this is also a great solution for any vehicle who's limited on space or has issues producing vacuum. This kit does not require vacuum, it's all electric. Now we do recommend you run at least a 110 amp alternator to make sure that you have consistent braking. But like I said, just to take me back 20 seconds ago, ideal for any car limited in space, ideal for any car that has vacuum issues or no vacuum at all, such as your Coyote Swaps. But you can use it for any of your small block applications as well. We're firm believers in this product and truly believe that this might be the best feeling brake pedal that we've ever used in a classic Mustang. Now, Coyote Swap guys, listen up very closely. This is the only kit for you. Unless you want to run manual brakes, this is the only solution on the market as of the making of this video, at least that we've seen. Now I've seen a kit out there that puts stuff underneath the dash. You're building a Coyote Swap Mustang, and having brake fluid or anything like that drip down on your new carpet just seems kind of counterproductive to what you're ultimately trying to accomplish here. Because of the size limitations due to the Coyote Swap in these classic Mustangs, there's no real way to put any decent brake master cylinder on there outside of a manual brake master cylinder. You can't use a vacuum booster because Coyotes don't produce vacuum. So this kit here is really the only kit you have as a solution for a power brake application in a Coyote Swap Mustang. This master cylinder for 67 through 70 Mustangs will actually just fit as a direct bolt-on. 64 through 6 Mustangs, it's almost a direct bolt-on, but it will need to be offset slightly towards the driver's side fender apron. All right, please note guys that there are two versions of this kit listed on our website. There is a 9-inch master cylinder and a 6.5-inch master. The 9-inch master cylinder will not fit on a Coyote Swap Mustang. If you are running a Coyote Swap Mustang, you must use the 6.5. The 9-inch kit is too big. If you're a small block guy, if you're running a 289, 302, that kind of stuff, you can get away with a 9-inch kit just fine. It is a little bit cheaper. It's obviously a little bit bigger, but it will fit in the car. But again, if you're a limited space guy or a Coyote guy, you got to get the 6.5-inch kit if you want the kit to fit in there. So if you're looking for the best kit on the market, this is definitely the kit for you. If you're limited on space, if you have no vacuum, or if you're doing Coyote Swap, this kit is definitely the kit that I would recommend. You can check it out, autoworksparts.com. You're looking at the 6.5-inch kit. Don't confuse it with the 9-inch kit if you're a Coyote guy. Check it out. Thanks a lot.